Understanding the phrase, woman up. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language, woman up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, where it came from, and how to use it. So, let's dive in. Woman up is a colloquial expression used to encourage someone to be strong or brave, similar to man up. The phrase suggests that the individual should show courage, strength, or resilience, typically in the face of adversity. It's a way of telling someone to face their challenges head-on. For example, if someone is afraid of speaking in public and they're trying to avoid it, you might say, "Come on, woman up. You can do it." While the phrase, man up, has been in use for a longer time, woman up emerged more recently as an alternative, promoting the idea that women can be just as courageous and resilient as men. It plays on the traditional phrase but gives it a more modern, inclusive twist. Another version you might have heard is grow a pair, which essentially has a similar meaning but can be perceived as more crude or direct. Remember, the choice of phrase will always depend on the context and the relationship between the speakers. Woman up can be used in various scenarios, both light-hearted and serious. 1. Encouragement. You've been studying for this test for weeks. Woman up and give it your best shot. 2. Facing fears. I know you're scared of heights, but woman up and let's go ziplining. 3. Taking responsibility. You made a mistake at work. Instead of hiding it, woman up and admit it. However, be sensitive to the context and the person you're speaking to. Not everyone might appreciate or understand the phrase, especially in non-native English-speaking countries. So there you have it. Now you understand what woman up means, its origins, and how to use it in daily conversations. Remember, language is ever-evolving, and phrases like these reflect changing societal values and perceptions. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep womaning up in your English language journey, and until next time, happy learning!